committee board member now.
Ramon Magsaysay Award Foundation ki kuchapne tharanga do khoskyam kyu chimbucho ki mixe surje shunang song. Foundation teni jinong khoskyam kyu chimbucho la chilujik dong kupya ngapchu ngagu chinde gebe se sumju sojik nyen geji to nyenda chebe Magsaysay singda thongmar bilam shugen te himbre. Foundation de zune dilo longo tukju renga korki yobata tun tabar senda de she nyonghen gechen kansa yongtan dewa shude mixe dalen durup shushibatar dilo jinda chukchi nang Philippines ki gyasa Manila nangdo senda she nyonghen ki gechen nam lensom ki mixe zegushi chobikap shiwe dalen teda kwebe tepchen dunjen ki chatip dunbe nangredu.
So I am the president of the Ramon Magsaysay Award Foundation. Thank you. Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is Emily Abrera, one of our trustees and has been with the organization for more than 20 years. We represent the Ramon Magsaysay Award Foundation.
Nganzu Ramon Magsaysay Award Tepje kuchap chene lebayi thalo nganzu tepje ti zune lo tukshi renga korwe tuzi di kegi yore. Khonsa chola tenga chilo chikton kupya ngapchu ngagulor Ramon Magsaysay sengda di bishe zebatan dene kanyilni sengda di shegen kuna chungshu de chagi yobre. Nganzu tepje khan zune dilo lo tukshi renga korwe tuzi tan dune nganzu tabar sengda di she nyonghen ki geshin tsangmar dewa shude. Khonambe jizo shepshutan dewe kuchi zeji tang, khonambe nyingdop dan tu zewache kwebe tepjeng dunjeng ki chatepshik dembe nangki yu. Tabar zingda te she nyongke mi somke shepchu shepshi yube khone somcha chik mato ku tsushu meda. Khonam dan dewa nande shionke namla gechen teda ki zeji ngutu shugyur meshin yu.
About a third of them are alive. And so we want to make sure that young people never forget who they are, what they fought for, and their advocacies.
He emanates his message of compassion. So it's a simple message that we will bring back home and continue and help to spread.
In early part of the century.
Konsacho ki kapter tepsa khan ki chokso chamku Susan Afan la tha chokpe genjil hancho ki chongmi chamku Emily Abrera la ni ki chebe leje banam la thurap di godo su changme ma da khojoi so ki thola thona chimbute yegya thengap rimpe nedan la gyuba chine nganchu da khonchu shebe lo the rimpe nyam yoba ka de tantel nganchu changme dowa mi chikyuri imbe chane nyemne chagyu keji tha penchu sure so ki chebe chachu rigla gechen khaya meda changme digi dembe thone nyemne chagyur thore jeshin yoba ka je
We have to live together, not worthy to killing each other. Now live together happily.
Konsacho ki kapter tadung kanyi ne tu gyundu chö kor kanya sungi mebata chö cheda machi shebate kansa ger ki nedun rela chö ke lang malang serwa tenyang kansa la ra le yögya ngansu zhuwa mi yinbe chane tsangma nyamdu dego gire tseri ban ki lungu chura kashi shula kole tsaryo kenbe zamling di meba chagi re sungi yore tuzi te male pardu ngansu tsangma nyamdu digi tembe tone dego gire che kaze du. Yang tepsa khan ki kompo khanyi la tenki shunke tsor dalen kiamchu yongbe suntep shibashin. Khonsa cho ki nga ge tang kondro ngangda so ki sem maki basoi yodab. Penchun war zaro da bunche so chamzi dushe tone nena sem shide yongge yoba so ki lamdun kajik zedu.
Nga cho go kaki shekme.
This is not talking about religion as such.
Yes.
Religion is personal matter. Whether accept religion or not, up to individual.
Yeah,
But so long we are a human being,
that's right.
we have to live together. So irrespective whether believer or non-believer, we are same human being. Till now, scientists say, after a few decades, global warming
Yes.
coming.
Yes.
So then that is the end of the world.
Sadly,
Oh,
yes. And it's
so
because of people.
while global warming and end of world coming.
Yeah.
Let us live happily.
No, we had a wonderful visit today. It is so wonderful to be in the
Terinki jaga te
presence
hajang
of a
kyab
man
sangbu chung koskam gwe chumbu cho tabu cham nyingji tan shide danyi chen shi ki kundun la char tu ba theni hajang ki kyab sangbu re tenkap zamlin nang tu sangbu yunten theta nyung chabe kangi yuda ke chen khon tabu kundun tu char be kapso rangi layan shide chowa yongki tu
it gives us such personal peace. And
Khonsa chola sengta te buka zowa kanyi ki chiso nechi tang pyo ki choda rikshun sungyop kongpe chege lapchen zeche la chetu chunche du pewa shikre kong ki kusi shibe ring zeba tedar mutu kyangpa teni ngosar kegyo ba shikre kong ki chamsi tang shize dalen nangpa teda pyomi chikpor mayin par zamling kyo yong la kyab yu.
And the amazing thing is that he has not stopped. He has continued this kind of work ever since that time. So it's very special for us.
yeah.
Very,
and
very
that
special.
his message of peace and compassion and working together has spread not just for the Tibetan people, but he has become an inspiration to the world.
Shize Ramon Magsaysay Award shebe sinda teni Philippines ki sinzi surba kushab Ramon Magsaysay choki tsendo tokmar chiluchikdong gupkya ngapchu ngapdun lor chesu nama shikin bata sinda ter yongda su Asia Nobe sinda shi jusu yubata chiluchikdong gupkya ngapchu ngagu chinda gebe se sumchi soshikngin konskam kuen chumbu chola sinda de bushi zegab gui jembu gyalu tundup cho chebeb na yubri.